Oh yeah. Look at that. Ain't that nice? You just can't beat it, man. What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to episode 6 of this beautiful Silver Streak Toyota Tacoma that we bought at Copart just a few short days ago. We're super excited to continue working on this thing. In the last video, you saw us weld in this radiator support, get it all painted up. This thing is really coming together. So today what we're going to do, we're going to jump on getting this radiator put in, the condenser put in. We're going to try to get everything together, get some antifreeze in this truck, and get it running. After we get all that done, we're going to jump on the rear. We're going to finish installing this beautiful Torch Off-Road lift kit that we bought from them just a few short days ago. So let's hop on this front, then we'll hop on the rear, or we'll hop on the rear and then we'll hop on the front. But we're going to get started. We're going to get it done.
Alrighty guys, so we got the lift kit in, a nice Torch off-road lift kit. If you're interested in this lift kit, the link will be in the description. What we also did is we went ahead and got the fenders on, fender flares. We got the bumper, radiator support, the condenser. We got the AC charged up. Everything's good to go, looking OEM. But we've run out of time today, so we're gonna pull this thing out and we'll catch you guys in the morning.
It is the next day here. We are continuing working on episode 6 of this Silver Streak Tacoma. You saw we put this beautiful torchoffroad.com lift kit under this thing. It looks 100% amazing. We got everything jacked up and leveled out. We need some wheels, but what we got today, we got our seat belts, we got our module, we got our airbags. So why don't we start with that, see how much of this stuff we can get done, and let's stop talking and let's get straight to work. Check this lift kit out. Alrighty guys, and just like that, we've worked like a bunch of Tasmanian devils around and around this thing like some primitive cavemen, and everything looks 100% amazing. Check out the chrome. Really digging the chrome on this one. It's just super sweet. The headlights are working. We still got a couple of things to wire up, but we got our airbag system. It's all good. Everything is 100%. No lights are on the dash. We couldn't be happier about that. The front end is finally together. We think for the last time, hoping we don't have to take this thing back apart because it looks 100% amazing. We think maybe in the next video, we might actually get this sucker finished up or really close to it. I think we run out of time on today's video, guys. But if you like this video and you like content like this, drop us a like. It really helps us out. We do appreciate each and every one of you for stopping by and watching our videos. Don't forget, to leave us a comment down below. Follow us on Instagram at Real Orange Wires. We always post there before YouTube. Until next time, we're out.